What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. Again, sorry for not uploading on Friday or Thursday. It might have been, but I was messing with my computer. I tweaked some settings and it didn't allow me to export in Adobe, but I think we should be up and running now. So again, sorry about that, but hope you guys are all having a great weekend. It's been nice out here in Chicago weather-wise, so I'm looking forward to tomorrow. And so let's just get ready, right? So being that it is Sunday, I always like to start off with kind of like a bigger picture, just to kind of see, like, on the daily chart, just see like where we at the moment, because as you all remember, we finally broke out of that range we were in for so long. So what we're looking at here is the daily chart. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, I guess, like a whole week of just consolidation, right? And we had that break out of it. So this is not the best basing candle in my opinion, but the fact that we consolidated in this area for such a long time, I wouldn't be surprised for this to hold 4148.25, which actually lines up with that 4150 level that has been acting as possible support. So 4148.25 as a daily demand, and then of course that 4100 psychological level that bears just cannot break under. And as of now, we are just trying to break above that 4200 level. Actually, I'm sorry, we did break above it. We're just trying to hold above it, but we do have the supply above at 4233.25, which is a major daily supply, but it has been tested about 2 times already. So when this happens, I don't put too much emphasis on it, but it's still on my chart. But the area that I'd be looking for if we do get a strong pop would be 4269.75. So within that daily supply, that's a 4-hour consolidation, which has not been tested, so that could possibly work. And not to mention that we also have this pattern that we've just been creating as well, would kind of line up within that same area as well. So that's that's the spot that I'm definitely going to be watching to the upside for possible rejection, as with the supply there along with that trend line. So keeping that on the chart. So that's the bigger picture. So now let's go for intraday, for going into tomorrow. What are we looking at? A lot of consolidation on Friday, just a lot of chop. I did take one scalp. I think I threw it up on my Twitter. I think it was somewhere around here, I believe. I just kept saying buyers protecting that 4200. So I put a buy stop order here at like 49.80. What is it? 41.98. And I just took it up for like 6 points, and then I was done. And that was my day, like, because I was busy all day, but a little quick scalp. But as you can tell, we're kind of forming this wedge, or this, I think it's a wedge. I'm not really good with pattern names, as you guys can tell. But just above that psychological 4200 level, been rejecting just around that 30-minute supply zone. But I mean, we pretty much went above it, so I wouldn't be surprised if we broke above. But to the downside, I mean, there's really not much demand up below until like 4180.50, and then underneath that 4172.75, which already has been tested once, but could still work, because still watching that 4168 key level as well. And so yeah, I mean, honestly, I would not be surprised to wake up tomorrow morning and already be up or down, depending on what the market decides to do. But to the upside, we do have this untested supply zone that was created from that drop. Starts at 4222.25, and then right above it 4228.50. So supply 4222.25, 4228.50, and then demand below 4180.50, 4172.75. So within that range, see what happens. I mean, the way I like to trade it is see if we get up here, test supply. If I see sellers, short it, or if we get below, see buyers, long it. Just a matter of just a patient game for me, but we'll see what happens. Being that it is Monday, I always like to take it slow, because that's when you get a lot of the crazy moves, and I like to kind of see a trend first before I jump into anything. Which, I mean, for example, like the past few days, I taken a lot less trades, and I'm okay with that, just waiting for something. But we broke out of the range, so at least hopefully we get some more volatility. And as far as news for tomorrow, I actually forgot to pull it up, so bear with me. For tomorrow, Monday, we have PMI at 1:47. So it's 9:45 a.m. Eastern. So expect the reaction to that. And we do have some FOMC members speaking. Actually, forget all that. That's on Tuesday. I'm looking at the wrong calendar. Monday, there's no news, so we're good. So we'll see what happens, but hopefully we get some decent moves. But again, I hope you guys all had a great weekend. I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow. And as always, respect the rules, follow your plan. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Adios.